Hey guys, zpoltun here and I'm back for another zpoltun unboxing, and today we're going to take a look at the Blon 05. So according to your request guys, you want me to check this out. So I'm really late in the party. This was released around 2 months ago and really popular with the community, but we're gonna figure out why. Of course, the Blon 03 is one of the most popular earphones and the channel, so really excited about the Blon 05. So we're gonna open it and give you guys my impressions in this one. So of course this will be just your unboxing experience. Of course, full review will be in the zpoltun channel. So actually in terms of the design, this looks a bit different compared to your previous. As you guys can see, there's more detailed in terms of the design compared to the previous, which is a bit more minimalist in design. But you're still kind of getting kind of a stylish kind of look with that gold kind of color. Just still very interesting. But you're getting that similar box that you get with the Blon 03. Very similar in terms of the overall packaging. They still have your belief, let the music burn. Actually, let music burn. OPOT, never give up. Annotation, music and dreams, decibel manufacturing. On the other side, you do get some addresses and the foil kind of finish. Cable wise, you're getting the same cable as you get with the Blons, black in color, so not a big issue for me. And you're getting the 2-pin connector, which seems to be a more stable type of 2-pin connector, which is nice. But this is not the most premium feeling cable that I have felt for sure. And actually this one is like a paper thing finish or foam finish, so it's a bit different from what I remember the previous box to be, which is more plastic. First impressions in this one, this is a bit heavy in the heavy side, so that's reassuring. It's made of metal, which is cool. It will be up to you if you like that kind of more detailed look. I do prefer the Blon 03 more, the more minimalist kind of look. I think it looks better for me. So I can see that this might already fix the issue of the Blon 03 before, where you have some fit issues. So this is a safer shape to compared to your Blon 03, so nice in that. But I really feels weighty in this one. Putting this now, and yeah, this is the more stable 2-pin connector, which is nice. I can see that even if you move around, this won't budge at all, so that's nice. It's really stable and it does look cool. When you put this inside, you do have some preform earrocks. The earrocks is in the tight side, but it's not a big issue. Let's put it on the ear and I give you guys my impressions in how this wears on the ear. Alright, so right off the bat, I do like the fit of this versus the Blon 03. The fit in this is better. It goes inside your ear more, so isolation is actually better compared to the Blon 03. It's above average. Stability is very good in this one, very stable, above average as well. Comfort is also quite good, not the best. It's in the heavy side, so you can definitely feel it on your ear. But it's kind of breathable on the ear because it's a small IAM, so it's fairly comfortable to wear on the ear. So I'd say in terms of fit, they fixed the Blon 03 issues in this one, which is cool. Let's listen to some Journey, Any Way You Want It. Separation is here is pretty good. I can't confirm 100%, but this seems to be less bassy compared to your Blon 03. But the bass in this one seems to be more tight compared to your Blon. Bad Love by Eric Clapton. Yeah, the signature seems to be a bit different compared to your Blon 03. This is definitely a less bassy kind of signature. How about some Believe in Life? The presentation is more in the smooth side. But it's not overly smooth. I like also that it's not that fatiguing to listen to. It's very musical, it's very lively, but it's not piercing to the ear. Right, so Blon 05. Right, so my first impressions are this is still a very Blon kind of sound, but it's a bit different compared to your Blon 03. I think this is a bit more clean in the presentation, less bassy. Still a very Blon kind of sound, but yes, that's my initial impressions. Yes, we're gonna do a side-by-side of that in our full review. I'm gonna confirm if that is really my findings. I'm gonna listen to the Blon and compare this also with the other $50 IAMs here in this channel. So that's our initial impressions, initial unboxing. Hopefully you guys learned something. If you did, of course, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. So again, in the 24th, 3 days left, guys, I'm gonna release my single in my new YouTube channel, IMZ Music, and hopefully I can see you guys there and support me guys there as well. And thanks for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next zpoltun unboxing. Goodbye.